Hi, it's Joanne. So I have to show you this because you're going to want to upgrade your kitchen or your bathroom vanity with this innovative non-slip stone drying tray. So I've used the silicone ones and the foam filled ones, and they do not do the trick. This is the perfect solution. It is attractive. So I have my soap dispenser here, my hand soap here, but it has this innovative moon shape, gives it kind of a modern touch. Fits most faucets, comes in two pieces. You just lay it and fit it around your faucet. Looks nice. It's easy to install. It's like I said, it's detachable, so it's effortless to install. Comes with this little sandpaper strip, so if you need to refresh it, sometimes it gets a little extra soap on it, and I need to refresh it. A little bit of water cleans it really good. It's perfect for the kitchen, the bathrooms, vanity spaces. It's the perfect drying tray. We love it.